In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic tax calculations in your Wix store for seamless transaction management. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you're looking to make your tax setup more efficient, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser, such as Chrome, navigate straight to your Wix dashboard. This is your control center, so to speak, where you manage all the aspects of your online store. Once you're there, direct your attention to Store Settings. This section is where you tweak the operational settings of your e-commerce site, making it an essential part of managing your business effectively. Now, inside Store Settings, you'll find an option labeled Taxes. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then see an option called Set Up Tax. Select this option to begin configuring your tax settings. This step is crucial because it determines how taxes are applied to your sales, ensuring compliance and accuracy in your store operations. Next, you'll want to enable the automatic tax calculation feature. This setting allows Wix to do the heavy lifting for you by automatically calculating sales tax based on your location. This is particularly useful because sales tax rates can vary significantly depending on where you and your customers are located. By enabling this feature, you avoid the hassle of manually calculating taxes for each transaction, thus reducing errors and saving time. At this stage, it's important to enter your business and tax details as required. This is where you'll need to have relevant information on hand, such as your business address and any specific tax registration numbers that your local regulations might require. Providing accurate details here ensures that all calculations are precise and that your business remains compliant with local tax laws. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked for accuracy, proceed to save your settings. By doing so, Wix ensures that the sales tax is now calculated and added automatically at the checkout for all future transactions. This seamless integration not only keeps your accounting practices tidy, but also provides a transparent shopping experience for your customers as they'll see the taxes applied at the point of purchase. Remember, keeping your tax settings up to date is an ongoing process, so periodically review and update them as needed to accommodate any changes in tax laws or your business operations. With these automatic calculations handled within Wix, you can focus more on growing your business instead of navigating through complex tax codes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you streamline your tax setup on Wix.